50 kitchen tools named with short sentences. Knife. Knife. I cut vegetables with a knife. Cutting board. Cutting board. I chop onions on the cutting board. Spatula. Spatula. I flip the eggs with a spatula. Frying pan. Frying pan. I fry potatoes in the frying pan. Saucepan. Saucepan. I boil water in the saucepan. Pot. Pot. I cook rice in the pot. Measuring cups. Measuring cups. I measure flour with measuring cups. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons. I add salt with a measuring spoon. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. I mix the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Peeler. Peeler. I peel the carrots with a peeler. Grater. Grater. I grate cheese with a grater. Tongs. Tongs. I grab the hot food with tongs. Whisk. Whisk. I whisk the eggs for the cake. Colander. Colander. I drain pasta in a colander. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. I roll the dough with a rolling pin. Ladle. Ladle. I serve soup with a ladle. Can opener. Can opener. I open cans with a can opener. Blender. Blender. I make juice in the blender. Kitchen scissors. Kitchen scissors. I cut herbs with kitchen scissors. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. I wear oven mitts to hold hot pans. Sieve. Sieve. I sift flour with a sieve. Timer. Timer. I set the timer for baking. Thermometer. Thermometer. I check meat temperature with a thermometer. Tea kettle. Tea kettle. I boil water in the kettle. Toaster. Toaster. I toast bread in the toaster. Microwave. Microwave. I heat food in the microwave. Oven. Oven. I bake cake in the oven. Grill pan. Grill pan. I grill meat on the grill pan. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. I cook beans in a pressure cooker. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. I cook rice in the rice cooker. Electric mixer. Electric mixer. I mix batter with an electric mixer. Food processor. Food processor. I chop vegetables in a food processor. Kitchen scale. Kitchen scale. I weigh ingredients on the scale. Garlic press. Garlic press. I crush garlic with a garlic press. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. I open bottles with a bottle opener. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. I remove cork with a corkscrew. Baking tray. Baking tray. I bake cookies on a baking tray. Baking paper. Baking paper. I use baking paper for cookies. Muffin tray. Muffin tray. I bake muffins in a muffin tray. Pie dish. Pie dish. I bake pie in a pie dish. Serving spoon. Serving spoon. I serve rice with a serving spoon. Soup bowl. Soup bowl. I eat soup in a soup bowl. Plates. Plates. I serve food on plates. Cups. Cups. I drink tea in a cup. Glasses. Glasses. I drink water in a glass. Fork, fork. I eat salad with a fork. Spoon, spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. Knife, table, knife, table. I cut steak with a table knife. Chopping knife, chopping knife. I chop meat with this knife. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. I stir soup with a wooden spoon.